welcome to another episode of Flat TV. It's me, Reg.
My name is Wilson.
I'm Jojo.
And today is going to be a different video because it's going to be a little bit of a story time because we want to share with you our experience from the recent concert of Coldplay. Yes. So we went to see Coldplay last January 20 at the Philippine Arena.
Anong title ng tour nila?
Music of the Spheres.
Music of the Spheres.
Yes.
Pretty sure marami sa inyo nagpunta din.
Comment down below if you went to the concert as well.
Alright, that's the end of it. See ya. No, just kidding.
So, sige. So, umpisahan natin sa umpisa ng getting tickets, but we're not gonna dwell on that too much. But I'm pretty sure you also experienced the same thing. It was kind of hard.
Yes.
Yeah, because para dun sa mga tao na nag-try mag-secure ng tickets nung Friday, January 19.
Which is first day.
First day. Kasi, di ba, hindi naman talaga 2 days. So, initially, it was only a one-day concert. But, I don't know, for some reason, and siguro popular, request, diba, na mag-day 2. So, good thing we were able to secure tickets for the day 2 concert.
Kasi sa day 1, medyo nahirapan na tayo mag-secure
Oo, kasi nagkaroon ng parang glitch ata yung system ng SM Tickets.
So, sobrang dami ng nag-a-access ng site nila.
Correct.
Diba, may queuing pa and everything.
True.
So, yun. Buti na lang, nagkaroon ng day 2 and nasaktuhan ng day 2. Ang nangyari was, nagkaroon ng slots because hindi makapenetrate yung mga online. And then pumila tayo, one of our friends. Pumila talaga sa Ticketnet, sa SM. Kaya, nakasecure kami ng tickets and maganda rin yung nakuha namin seats.
Yes.
Yes.
So, yun na nga, nakakuha na kami ng tickets. And so, eto na, fast forward to the day of the concert, which is another story. Yes.
Yeah, but syempre gusto namin mag-focus dun sa pinaka-concert, diba?
Yeah. So we were
experience.
sobrang early kami because pag nagko-concert talaga dito sa Philippines ng mga bigating mga artists, mga international artists like Coldplay, talagang expected mo na you will have to be in the venue early kasi marami kang kailangan preparations na gawin.
Yes.
Such as parking,
yes.
Traffic, parking.
Of course, you also need to fall in line sa mga merchandise, diba?
Merchandise.
Kung kailangan or gusto mo talaga makabili ng legit merchandise.
So speaking of, so before the start of the concert, we were able to make pila dun sa merch. Kaya nakabili naman kami kaagad.
So we started after that, we started na pumila na mga 4 PM na. And then gates opened at
5.
So,
but we were able to enter at around 6:30.
7:30.
7:30 ba? Oh my God, that was 2 hours of standing.
No, not just 2. Kasi nag-start tayong pumila around 3. Pila yon para sa merchandise.
No, we're talking about the
pila to get inside.
To get inside
kasi
the gates.
Open gates 5 PM So pumila tayo doon ng mga 4.
4. Yes. 4.
So
2
mga
hours,
2.5
hours. Ganun.
2.5 hours.
And I'm pretty sure kayo din, ganyan din na experience.
Sino yung mga nahirapan dyan? Sino yung mga na-test yung patience? But I'm sure na-test man yung patience nyo bago pumasok ng gates, but I'm sure you were very satisfied with the experience.
Nakalimutan na namin yung stress na pinagdaanan after the concert because it was such a magical experience.
Yes.
It was so surreal.
I would agree.
Yeah.
Which we will be talking about now, yung experience namin.
I-share lang namin sa inyo very quickly mga favorite songs or parts ng concert. So starting with, syempre diba binigyan kami ng mga wristbands. So syempre talagang inaantabayanan namin yung pag on na. Diba?
Hindi namin alam nung una, hindi ko alam, para saan ba tong wristbands na to?
Ako alam ko.
alam ko. Na nagsisync siya actually.
Oo, because I've seen a lot of, TikTok videos about Coldplay concert na before. So, meron na akong idea sa mga magaganap. But, anyway, di naman nakasira yun, no? It was still the same. So, anyway, starting with the, ano ba tawag doon? Entrance song? Ano ba tawag doon?
So, hindi. Gusto kong tanungin sa inyo. Siyempre, magsa-start na, di ba? Siyempre, merong front act, which is si...
Ay, oo nga, may front act.
Gika
Marie.
Which is sobrang
Oo
galing.
nga pala, si Gika Marie. Yes.
Sobrang galing. Sobrang galing niya.
Opening act.
Oo, opening act. Worthy opening act for Coldplay. So, yun na nga, 'di ba? So magaling sila and stuff like that. Pero syempre nung natapos na yung performance ni Gika Marie, doon na nagbe-build yung yung
excitement.
emotion.
Yun na nga. So, pag enter na ni Coldplay, syempre yung build up, diba? Yung excitement andyan na. Tapos antabayan na namin yung wristband na umilaw. So, nakita ko sa TikTok yung mga 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Na, higher power na.
So, anong naramdaman nyo? Anong naramdaman nyo nun? Nung talagang ito na
Goosebumps, syempre. Oh my God, this is...
Ito na.
Oh my God. Ayan, ganon. Nakaka-excite.
Tsaka okay na opening song Higher Power.
Higher Power. Nararapat lang na siya yung nasa unahan. Kasi full of energy yung song eh.
And if I'm not mistaken, it's also I think it was the first track in the album. So correct me if I'm wrong na lang. No? Pero yun yung pagkakalam ko. Yun yung first song na ginawa or first track na ginawa ni Coldplay for Music of the Spheres album. And syempre, after na Higher Power, ayan na, lumabas na yung mga bola. Adventure of a lifetime na. Oh my gosh.
Yan, ang
Grabe yung mga bola.
Ang masasabi ko doon, yung ginawa nilang yon. Actually, it was unexpected. Kasi hindi ko naman pinanood. I was not expecting that. Kasi hindi ko naman pinanood. Ayoko manood nung mga nasa TikTok. Nung mga...
You wanna be surprised.
Kasi syempre gusto ko, ma-experience ko siya ng sarili ko, di ba? First hand. So, kaya nung lumabas yung mga bola and everything, parang, wow, pag ganito pa. Alam mo, parang ano nila na hindi nila, yung mga tao, yung mga audience, hindi lang sila basta nandoon na nanonood.
There's interaction
diba? Meron interaction na nangyayari. So, while they're singing the song, yung...
Tapik-tapik ng mga bola.
And it adds to the vibe of the music, Adventure of a Lifetime. Parang nag-adventure ka na din. Kasi you get to see all the balls, diba? And bouncing up in the air. And you can even touch it.
So kami, kahit na nasa bandang taas kami, talaga medyo, nung nabigyan ako ng opportunity na hawakan yung ball.
Para mo nahawakan si Coldplay.
Ako na-excite pa din ako dun sa mga bola. Although kasi alam ko na-excite pa din ako. Kasi hindi ko naman alam kung kailan ilalabas eh.
Yeah.
Yun.
So anong song yung pinapatugtog doon?
Adventure of a Lifetime.
Yun pala. Adventure of a Lifetime. Tapos syempre, yung next song
is Paradise.
Gusto ko yung song na yan.
Of course, it's a classic.
Hit nila yan eh.
Oo.
Alam mo yung nag-ring pa rin sa ulo ko. Kasi 'di ba, during dito parang nagsimula talaga sila na may audience participation. Yung chant, yung panay, wow.
Oh.
Diba? Diba? So, yung part na yon sa atin, tapos sa kanya yung Paradise, diba? So, parang, nare-recall ko na naman na namimiss ko yung concert. Parang, wala lang. It's really,
actually, ang tagal ang tagal ng hangover.
Yes. Kasi, alam nyo, right after the concert, parang after...
Hindi ka nakatulog, for sure. Agad.
Bukod doon, alam mo yung playlist ko sa sasakyan.
Yung pa din.
Purong Coldplay. Tapos...
Trying to relive the memories.
Kasi diba sa Spotify, meron parang merong playlist doon na lahat ng mga kinanta nila.
Yung set list nila.
Yes. So, yun lang yung naka-play sa akin. If given a chance na ma-experience ko ulit to at magbayad ulit ako, gagawin ko. Kasi talagang hindi lang to concert, it was an experience.
Yep.
So, ayun. So, after ng Paradise, syempre, biglang ng mga speaking of mga classic songs, no? So, dito tayo sa mga OG na classic songs like, The Scientist.
Grabe nung intro pa lang nung piano.
Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry.
Siyempre, very iconic ang piano ng diba? Ng The Scientist. So, nung pagka-intro pala ng piano, sobrang doon tumayo yung mga balahibo ko. Sabi ko, dati napapakinggan ko lang tong classic song na to. Tapos ngayon, they are playing it in front of us.
Yes.
That OG song. Kasi that's one of their talagang classic talaga
hit.
Isa yun sa mga favorites
top tier
natin.
song talaga ng Coldplay.
Let's go back to the start.
Tapos, what's interesting about this, ito hindi ko talaga unexpected ha. Kasi right after they played The Scientist, meron silang pinlay na parang rewind. Parang feeling ko nung unang impression ko, parang, hala, ano nangyayari? May something ba? May technical difficulty ba? Or something? Yung pala, ni-rewind nila yung The Scientist. Tapos, totally unexpected, biglang nag-Viva La Vida! Oh my God, kinilabutan ako!
Grabe.
Yung transition
Yung transition, ang ganda. Sobrang artsy.
Suabe, seamless ng transition.
Pero just to add, doon sa Scientist, kasi diba, originally, yung music video nito, way back before, it was released backward. Diba?
Yun na nga!
That you had to play it para mabuo mo yung Scientist ng original song. You had to play it backward para marinig mo yung original. Pero yung na-release nila na music video, if you're going to watch it, diba? Talagang pabalik siya. Diba? And sobrang related kasi yung song kasi diba parang
back to the start.
Diba? Kasi diba? Ang galing.
Yeah.
Kasi diba yung nangyari kasi dun sa music video is parang hindi naging maganda yung ending and he wants to go back dun sa start. So, ang ganda na naging transition kasi what happened was yung actual footage na nangyayari dun sa concert
mismo,
yun yung pinilay nila.
Yes.
That's it.
Kaya,
it was totally unexpected and oh my God, it really blew my mind.
Super galing ng production niya.
Sinilabusan talaga ako, promise.
And then biglang ten. Shit, etong Viva La Vida, this is my song.
Yes!
That is your song.
This is my all-time favorite song. Kasi I'm getting 100 sa karaoke. Okay, anyway, nung nag-start na to, wala na akong pakialam, hindi ko kakilala kung sino yung mga katabi ko. Kakanta ako, whether he likes it or not. Diba? Sasabayan ko siya. Sobrang fulfilling, sobrang satisfaction. Grabe. Para kang
talagang let loose ka na lang dito diba?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, and next is And now when something just like this. Yeah, so another bop song, diba? such a bop. And isa rin to sa mga pinaka gusto ko din, yung Something Just Like This.
Yeah.
Yung another OG dito is pinaka talaga inaantabayanan ng lahat ng tao. Is the live performance of Yellow. Oh my God.
Kasabay ng wristband.
Yes, sobrang sync yan. Sobrang sync.
Oo, Yellow is the mas OG ang Yellow kaysa sa Scientist.
Yes, of course.
Kasi yun yung mga talagang...
Yun yung unang-unang kanta nila na talagang...
Unang kanta na nirelease nila.
Yes.
Diba?
Na talaga naging popular.
Oo, exactly. Tapos,
generation natin yan.
Tapos samahan mo pa nung pag-synchronize ng wristband natin na Yellow din. Diba? Sabi ko, grabe.
Iba talaga yung feeling kapag kinanta yung Yellow live.
Yeah.
Ibang-iba eh. Parang, shit, you feel all the feels.
Yes.
Alam mo yan?
Oo.
Kaya alam mo yun, nung habang piniplay yung Yellow, dyan medyo huminto na ako sa pagkanta na gusto ko lang manood.
I-experience mo na naman talaga.
Just want to absorb everything.
Experience everything. Absorb everything.
Meditate.
Kaya nga binigyan ko rin sarili ko kasi talagang sa sobrang synchronize, makagawa ka ng parang sarili mong pang TikTok or pang ano, pang tawag doon, pang reels, di ba? So, ayun, binidyoan ko yung kamay ko na talagang sobrang nagsisync yung wristband doon sa song nila.
Sa beat,
sa beat and everything. Ang galing, ang galing. Ang ganda ng production.
Oo. So, anyway, after Yellow, nasa third act na.
I wish it didn't run away, and I wish it didn't fall apart.
So, yung sa third act, medyo yung mga kanta dito, medyo nasa latter part na ng mga nila, album nila, like yung Human Heart. Tsaka People of the Pride. Maganda yung People of the Pride kasi talagang in-embrace talaga ni Coldplay dito yung diversity and inclusion, diba? Ang ating LGBTQIA+. Diba? Tapos talagang binandera niyo yun LGBTQIA+ na flag sa stage. So, yun.
Pero syempre, pagkatapos nun, another classic.
Another OG!
Clocks! Yung piano na naman, yung intro na naman na piano. Grabe.
Hey Google, play Clocks by Coldplay.
Alright, Clocks by Coldplay. Playing on Spotify.
Diba?
Alam mo yung Clocks, isa yun sa mga wedding songs ko pati yung Viva La Vida. Viva La Vida was actually my prenup
Really?
video. Okay, ano yung next? Hymn for the Weekend. Ayan, ito yung song niya with Beyonce. Isa rin tong pampa-energize. Yan. Tulad ng Something Just Like This. Something Just Like This, yun yung with the Chainsmokers.
Chainsmokers.
ito na nga.
Kasi yun na nga.
Ito na nga. So, ito hindi ko talaga ine-expect na ito na yung next song. Kasi ito talaga yung kinakabahan ako.
Now the BTS side, here we go. Yeah. And this song we sing for anybody you love, okay?
My Universe. Oh my gosh. Syempre, as a BTS ARMY, diba?
You are the universe. Just want
Talagang may excite ka dahil ang mga BTS ARMY ngayon mga malulungkot dahil nasa military ang kanilang mga bias. So, syempre, miss na namin yung BTS. And it's such a good feeling to see kahit wala sila sa stage, nakita mo pa rin sila dun sa screen.
No, nasa screen sila.
Oo, na parang tulad rin nung ginawa nila sa music video ng My Universe.
Grabe nga yung telimo.
Oh my God! Alam mo, napaos talaga ako, promise. Mas sumakit bigla yung ngalang-ngala ko.
Hindi ko ma-imagine what more pa kung talagang BTS na yung nagpe-perform.
Ay, ibang usapan yun
Iba
sa
yun,
kanya.
That's a different
Pagdating sa
story.
kanya,
That's a different story.
baka himatay na lang. Hindi niya kayanin.
Pero guys, yeah, so My Universe. So, syempre, makita mo si Jungkook, si J-Hope, si Jimin, si R, lahat. Pati si V, si Suga. Oh my God, talagang, totoo ba to? Am I dreaming? Ayun. Kaya nga, natutuwa rin ako yung crowd biglang. Nung biglang si Jungkook na yung lumabas, sobrang yung mga tao naghihiyawan, no? So, syempre, high na high ako, di ba? High na high ako sa My Universe. High na high ka, wala ka man lang pahinga kasi ang next song, A Sky Full of Stars na!
Ganda rin.
Correct, exactly.
Oo, kasi ito, one of my favorites din to eh.
Oo, ako din. Lahat ng tao actually yan yung
Oo.
inaabangan talaga.
So kamusta naman yung experience niyo dyan sa A Sky Full of Stars?
Wala, nagwawala talaga ako.
Into the zone na talaga kayo dyan eh.
Nakaganda kasi parang nag-request si Chris, di ba, na just for this song, tanggalin mo na lahat ng cellphones and everything.
And
Just be
And
present.
just be you.
And
Diba?
just
be
immerse in the moment.
Feel the concert,
Oo.
feel the moment, feel the experience.
Please could we try this song one more time together as one big family, one big band, and this time please for one song, maybe no cameras and no cell phones, no electronics, no filming, no recording.
And nung talagang binaba ko yung phone ko and nag-focus lang ako dun sa concert sa Although nagpo-focus na ako kanina ako pa naman sa parang mas lalo kang nakawala. Alam mo yun, parang mas lalo
You feel so alive.
Oo, so
Parang it was the first time na I felt so alive. Alam mo yun? Ikaw. Siyempre,
Same.
hindi ko... Siyempre, isa ka sa mga pasaway, di ba? Marami namang pasaway eh. Pero syempre kasi, you don't wanna miss that moment. You wanna capture it.
Right.
Ayan, so ano na, the last act.
Ito yung kasama ba si Selena? Si Sparks?
Hindi.
Ay, hindi.
Hindi. Actually, Sparks is one of my favorite as na Coldplay songs. OG din yan. OG din yan. It's a very slow song, love song.
Did I drive away? Well, I know what you say.
Actually, after nga nito, di ba since na pinapakinggan ko nga yung playlist ng Coldplay, isa to sa naging favorite ko bukod dun sa Beautiful.
Which is
Sparks.
also my favorite.
Say one you know.
Sobrang ganda nitong song na to.
Actually, dito na sa last act, yung yung surprise guest. Kasi syempre day 2 kami. So, alam na namin kung sino yung nasa day 1, di ba?
Nakita na namin yan.
Yung si
Lola Amor.
Lola Amor. Ay,
So, we were
Raining
in Manila.
Yeah.
So, sabi namin, iba kaya yung surprise guest today? Kasi kahapon si Lola Amor. Sino kaya ang surprise guest today?
Na OPM artist.
Oo. So, yun. So, true enough, iba.
Iba, which is si...
Bandang Dilaw.
Yeah.
O, diba?
Which is maganda rin yung song nila.
Yes.
Uhaw yung
Uhaw.
kasi sikat yung
Yes.
sumisikat yung song na yun, di ba?
Yes.
Uhaw. Oo.
Naging trending din yun.
Oo, naging trending din. So, yun yung tinugtog nila dito. Together with di ba? Coldplay.
Makikita mo talaga na sikat yung song kasi 'di ba sabi niya doon sa concert, 'di ba? It's actually one of his dreams, 'di ba? Na parang kantahin ng buong tao,
Yeah.
yung mag-hymn yung buong tao doon sa song nila. Which is nangyari, nagawa niya kasi nga famous naman talaga yung song kaya everyone gets to sing, 'di ba? Kung ano talaga yung hymn ng song,
Yeah.
lahat nagpa-participate.
And that's what I like about Coldplay, they give opportunity to local artists
Yes.
to really shine,
Yep.
'di ba? Kahit concert nila, 'di ba?
So, aside from that, di ba, meron pala tayong, di ba merong parang mga audience na pinapanik sa stage
Ay.
nun?
Yeah.
Di ba?
Welcome. What's your name? Georgette. Okay, welcome. You want to wave to everybody? Look, let's welcome Georgette. Okay, come.
Swerte mo ngayon, no?
Swerte, kasi
Okay.
parang may golden ticket ata yung tawag doon. Na 3 golden ticket na nakalagay sa ilalim ng seat.
Ng
So,
seat.
kung sino daw yung meron nun, napakaswerte talaga. Kasi pinapunta sila sa stage.
Hey, no phones, man. Look, I'm right here.
Lahat yung 3 yon, yung maswerteng 3 yon, galing sa upper box.
Upper box.
Searching for the water, for the rain up and on.
Actually, kung ako ang tatanungin, kung ano yung kanta sana na kunyari, ako yung nasa stage, ako yung may golden ticket, tapos tatanungin ako ni Chris, ano yung gusto kong i-request na kantahin niya?
Ano yung
Ako,
request
ang
mo?
i-request ko, actually, 2.
Ano?
Yung isa ko sa mga all-time favorite na Coldplay songs niya, which is Amazing Day. Alam niyo ba yun? Ganda
Amazing
kaya,
Day.
no? Alam mo, isa yung sa mga, kunyari, kasal ako ulit, dapat nandun yung kantang yun. Parang gusto ko siya maging theme song namin ng Love Ski Doodles ko. Charot!
kasi 'di ba yung mga pinapanik na mga audience na nakakuha ng golden ticket, they were asked to request 'di ba a song na i-jam ni Chris. 'Di ba? Over piano lang naman 'yun, 'di ba?
Oh,
So
Amazing Day.
may mga
sa akin.
nag-request ng Everglow, 'di ba?
So, kung ako, Amazing Day,
Amazing Day.
or, syempre, The Astronaut, yung kinanta ni Jin. Kasi kinakanta niya yung The Astronaut minsan sa mga concerts niya. Mga ibang concerts niya sa ibang bansa.
Because siya yung gumawa ng song for Jin of BTS.
Yes.
Erika Wilson.
Tingin ko, Everglow.
Everglow.
Everglow. Talagang, para kasing yun yung kulang sa For me lang naman, di ba, kanya-kanya naman tayo. For me, parang yun yung kulang dito sa
Everglow.
sa list.
Ako din siguro i-request ko na rin yung Everglow, but I would have wanted it to be part of a set list talaga.
Yun nga
Meron akong isang song na talagang favorite ng Coldplay na hindi kasama sa setlist nila dito at all, yung Speed of Sound.
Maganda rin.
I love that song, but I don't think if I was given a chance to be on that stage, diba? I would not request for that song kasi parang mas bagay talaga siya sa isang full band performance Hindi yung piano lang.
Oo.
Pero Speed of Sound.
Pero alam mo, pag napapakinggan ko yung Speed of Sound, naalala ko yung Clocks.
may pagka parang almost the same element but not really. But yeah, I get what you mean.
No? Parang no, same.
Yeah.
So, syempre, ito na nga. Oh my God, yung pinaka-emotional talaga sa lahat, which is Fix You.
When you try your best, but you don't succeed.
Kasi towards, we're about to end the show na Ito na yung patapos na Kaya parang alam na namin na
ito na, papalapit na sa dulo.
Ito na, tutugtugin na yung kanilang granddaddy song, which is Fix You.
Yes.
Which is one of my personal favorites also.
Yes, me too.
Oo. Nung nag-start na yung Fix You na yan, alam mo yung bittersweet? Because number one, ako, personally, I really like that song and thank God they included this in the playlist. But also, I know that, okay, alam ko na pang nila pang mga finale at pang malakasang performance na ang Fix You So, patapos na ang show. Diba?
Actually, nung after na ng concert, tapos tinatry kong i-relive yung mga memories sa phone ko. Every time na piniplay ko yung Fix You, ay naiyak talaga ako, promise. Naiyak ako. Napaka-emotional nung song na yan.
Yung Fix You.
Ganda, ganda. So beautiful. And speaking of beautiful. Oh my God, my all-time favorite Coldplay song right now. It's beautiful.
So yun talaga yung naging finale song nila. Akala ko kasi Fix You na yung finale.
No.
Pero biglang yung Beautiful.
Ako alam ko na yung finale talaga is Beautiful.
Ako, after nitong concert, alam nyo, nangyayari sa akin. Bawa, di ba, pag nasa bahay ka, sabihin ko, hey Google, play Beautiful and keep on repeating this song forever. Ganun talaga yung instruction ko. Gusto ko siyang paulit-ulit na napapakinggan.
I hope that you get everything you want in this beautiful life. What a memory, so happy you're alive.
Ako yung Beautiful kasi nagustuhan ko siya. Mas nung napakinggan ko siya before, maganda yung song.
Kasi hindi nyo alam tong song na to, di ba, before the concert?
Hindi ko alam.
Ako yung
No, kasi alam mo actually, balik tayo sa simula, no? Before the concert, when we were on our way, we were playing yung Spotify playlist namin talaga is Coldplay. Para lang 'di ba, makapag-internalize kami, 'di ba, before the show. And narinig ko tong Beautiful na playing mo yun 'di ba?
Sabi ko, alam niyo ba yung song na Beautiful? Ito kayo yung pinaka-favorite ko ngayon. Hindi ko ba alam yun? Ito, pakinggan niyo.
Nung narinig namin, ang ganda nito ang ganda nito
Ang ganda ng
Pandemic song yan.
Hindi. Para kasing familiar siya sa akin, pero hindi ko napagtuunan ng pansin yung song. Pero nung plinay ni Reg sa kotse, nung papunta kami, sabi ko, ang ganda nito And mas na-solidify yung talagang appreciation ko for the song when they played it live. So talk about it.
Yes. Oo. Na-pressure bigla. Oo, kasi for me kasi, kaya nagustuhan ko yung Beautiful. No pandemic pa, I think pandemic ata to, ni-release, if I'm not mistaken. So, nung una ko nakita yung music video, actually na-touch ako kasi may storya yung music video and mas lalo kong nadama yung lyrics. Ang ganda kayo ng lyric. It's so simple. Pero, tapos samahan mo pa nung ang tawag doon? Yung music? Lyrics plus yung
the music, the beat, the instruments, the
arrangement,
the production.
Shucks, ang ganda. It's the lyrics are so simple, but it's iba yung dating.
Kasi,
iba yung dating.
Hindi siya
nakaka-touch
hindi siya complex pakinggan.
And it talks about appreciation of someone. Like, diba kung meron kang sobrang na-appreciate na tao or sobrang na-appreciate na someone, diba? Parang this is the song for them, diba? Kasi it's appreciation song.
Oo, tsaka exactly why feeling ko kaya ginawa ni Coldplay na last
na
song
finale
ko.
song niya talaga.
Kasi alam mo may favorite part ako sa may lyrics doon na favorite part. Yung sinabi niya ano yun? Everything you want in this beautiful life. Ayun yung parang, I hope that you get everything you want in this beautiful life. So parang for me, Chris or Coldplay is saying goodbye, pero ito yung parang, this is the message that I want to leave all of you before we...
Parting words
niya. Parang parting words niya. Parang, oh my
parang
God.
Key takeaway.
Thank you, Coldplay.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun?
Yes.
Beautiful country and giving us the best 2 days here. I hope we see you soon. Be good to each other, be kind to yourself, have faith, and we love you. Thank you for giving us this day and making us feel on top of the world, man. On top of the world, yeah.
So dito mo makikita talaga kung paano niya pinag-isipan yung engagement niya with the audience. Exactly. Through the songs, through the lyrics, kung kailan ipa-play to, kung kailan to. 'Di ba? Everything that happened in the concert, talagang pinag-isipang mabuti.
Yes.
Because it involved a lot of audience participation and engagement.
Yes.
Alam mo yan?
And yung
even
mga placement,
sa last.
yes, yung lineup ng songs. Diba?
Yeah.
Pinag-isipang maigi.
It's like a story. It's like a journey.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a journey.
It's an experience nga.
Planets, moon, stars, and home.
Yeah.
Oh, di ba? It's so very music of the spheres.
So anong naramdaman nyo nung patapos na siya? Nung talagang yun na yun, 'di ba? You know, it's bound to end, 'di ba? That show during that night. So
parang nagwi-wish ako, wishful thinking. Sana mag-play ka isa pa na pahabol na kanta. Alam mo yun? Kasi minsan mayroong mga artist na ganun na kahit tapos na parang...
May encore, maraming, pag nag-encore, maraming songs pa eh.
Parang nagkagawa sila ng parang special song at the end. Yun.
Ako, na-satisfy naman ako, hindi man ako nabitin. Pero nung paalis na tayo, syempre, yung una-una kong na-feel dyan is, shit, this was the best night of my life.
Actually.
Sobrang worth it.
Super.
Naulit-ulitin ko.
Yeah.
Kahit mamulubi na ako.
Ako naman parang, hindi rin ako nabitin, no? Hindi ako nabitin. I felt that it was just right to satisfy ko ano yung experience na dapat mong maramdaman. Di ba? However, nung natapos na siya, actually hindi nung natapos na eh, nung after a few days, I was reliving it. Parang sabi ko, gusto kong ulitin. Alam mo yung mag-rewind man lang. Total naman sanay si Chris na mag-rewind, di ba? So parang gusto ko lang siyang i-rewind ulit and I wanted to immerse more in that particular experience.
Oo. Tsaka inisip ko nga, shucks, kung maulit lang to, gusto ko dalhin yung loved ones ko kasi gusto ko ma-experience nila yung na-experience ko dahil sobrang amazing talaga.
Yeah.
Ako din.
Parang ang sarap
Agree.
ipa-experience sa mga mahal natin sa buhay.
Oo, parang siya.
Parang deserve.
Oo.
Diba?
Sinabi ko din yan.
Ano yung top 5 ultimate Coldplay songs mo? I mean, of all time. Based on how you're feeling right now.
Right now?
Mm.
Sige, go. Ikaw.
Sige.
Mahirap yan eh, kasi every album meron akong mga favorites.
Pero kung talagang iaano mo ng top 5, I mean, if you have your
hirap.
top 5, if you have your top 5, that doesn't mean that the other songs that you like ay wala nang kwenta, alam mo yan. Pero ano yung sinisigaw ng damdamin mo ngayon na top 5?
Sige, top 3 na lang.
Sige,
Top 3.
Ngayon, Hacker yun.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful, My Universe, A Sky Full of Stars.
Okay.
Ngayon lang ha, yung ngayon lang.
Okay. Ako naman, dalawa siya. May,
Akala ko ba 5?
hindi, top 3.
Para lang maging anim yan.
Explain ko kung bakit. Okay.
Ang daya
Kasi
ka din.
hindi ko pwedeng sabihin na kung ano yung nararamdaman ko ngayon or what. But
Ako yung ganun eh.
ako naman, yung top 3 all time.
All time na. Naku, huwag mo akong tanongin dyan kasi madami.
Top 3 of all time, parang top 4. Hindi, sige.
O, diba? Ang
Pipilitin ko
hirap.
top 3. Top 3 of all time.
Oo, ganun na lang.
Ang top 3 of all time ko would be Speed of Sound, na hindi naman tinugtog sa setlist. In My Place, na hindi rin sinama sa...
Maganda rin yun actually.
Gusto ko yun eh.
Ako din, gusto ko yun.
Ito, yun yung naisip ko, parang may wala. Which is yun, In My Place, and The Scientist. Pero kumbaga runner-up sa akin yung Fix You, Clocks, alam mo yan, Yellow. Pero yun nga, top 3 ko yun of all time. But, of course, I would also want to highlight yung top 3 more modern Coldplay songs. For me.
Okay.
Yung top,
So yung sinabi mo na una is mga OG
the OG
classic.
classic.
O dapat ganun din yung gawin
Gusto mo?
namin.
Sige.
O,
Ako
sige.
muna,
O,
tapusin ko
sige,
muna yung
sige,
akin. So, yung OG ko, ano ba sinabi ko? Speed of Sound, In My Place, and The Scientist. And then yung mas modern na Coldplay top 3 songs ko would be Beautiful, Everglow, and Paradise.
Okay. Ako sa mga OG, syempre Viva La Vida, Yellow, and
Scientist, Fix You,
Clocks ba or
Clocks, In My
Sparks?
Place, ano?
Sparks.
Okay.
Sparks na lang. Para may iba. Sinabi mo na ba yung yung Clocks?
Hindi ko sinabi.
O Clocks.
Runner-up sa akin yung
Hindi,
Clocks.
meron na ako eh.
Ay, sige.
Kasi yung top 5 ko, 3 doon OG.
Okay.
O sige, so ulitin ko yan. Yung top 3 ko, Viva La Vida. Viva La Vida. Clocks. Sparks.
Okay.
Tapos yung mga medyo,
Medyo
Latter.
latter.
mas bago-bago. Syempre, My Universe. Beautiful. And A Sky Full of Stars. I'm happy with my answer.
Pero tama ba, no? Yung Everglow and Paradise, mas bago-bago siya, no?
Yep.
Okay. Baka kasi mamaya ako na, yung pala OG din pala. Hindi, di ba? Mas
Hindi.
bago-bago.
Ako same tayo. Yung mas bago-bago ko yun, Beautiful,
My Universe.
My Universe, tsaka Sky Full of Stars. Tapos yung OG is
Viva La Vida.
Viva La Vida, Yellow Scientist.
Scientist, okay.
Sige. Ako, Clocks tsaka Sparks.
Ah.
Oh, sakto lang.
Maganda.
Nag-merge yung OG natin.
Maganda
Yun eh.
Maganda na yung lineup natin.
Kaya ba? Ano ba?
Although hindi natin nasama yung Fix You sa top 3 natin. Although runner-up ko yung Fix You.
Runner-up sa akin yun.
Pero syempre dapat bigyan natin sila ng chance. Gusto namin malaman ano ba yung
kayo.
top 3 OG and then top 3.
Kumbaga top 3 classic at saka top 3 mas medyo bago-bago.
medyo modern.
songs. Oo.
Okay.
Comment
Maganda yan,
down
maganda
below.
yan.
Yeah.
Tsaka ano pa ba yung mga Coldplay songs na hindi pinlay ng concert na gusto nyong sana i-request.
Yes. Especially if you were there sa concert, diba?
Tandaan nyo, babasahin na Coldplay yan.
Oo.
Diba? Para
Wala
susunod-
naman nila. Kasi babasahin nila isa-isa.
Yeah.
Wow!
Hindi, para sa susunod na concert, sasawa nila yon.
Oo.
Diba?
Malay mo, may
Malay mo
ganun pala,
naman.
diba?
Oo.
Okay. So, there you have it.
Hindi pa ako makamove on eh. Yes. So there, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, and if you did, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and of course, don't forget to hit the notification bell button and give us your insights, your experience. Again, yung top 3 OG and yung mga latter part na songs ng Coldplay, comment down below. And kung meron pa kami ng mga na-miss na experience na tingin nyo dapat natin i-relive, comment down below.
Yes. Gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yan. So there. Please also don't forget to follow us on our social media. Everything is in the description. And we'll see you again in our next video.
Yep.
Okay. Goodbye for now.